This is definition of drunk 101. Look at that boy. You see the chat. Look at that boy.
Let's go. Fucked up.
He done fuck the money up. He done fucked the drink up.
Fuck the drink.
That boy drunk folks. That
boy look.
That boy done fucked up since 9 o'clock this morning. Look at him.
Told us this.
Look at him. It's my nigga. It's my
240.
It's my nigga, man.
240 to push.
Oh.
How you like that?
Tell him, Squad. Tell them niggas. Tell them niggas, Squad Dog. Tell them niggas, NCM, man. Spit on for Squad Dog real quick. It's the camera on, nigga. Spit on for the camera, man.
YouTube type shit.
Yeah, bitch. You hear that? What's wrong with these niggas, man? That's my nigga Squad Dog, man. Get it right, nigga. That's what niggas want to do. Any spit some shit. My nigga got flow, nigga, for sure.
Don't get it twisted.
Straight like that, nigga.
Don't get it twisted because you sit there like that, you know.
My nigga about to be a star, nigga. He about to be on YouTube. Nigga off the dribble. You know what I'm saying?
He on that bitch.
He on that bitch, nigga, right? Nah.